Good day. This is an overview of the Sage VIP Premier product. In this short video, you will be introduced to the Premier software, as well as the modules and training available. Once you have accessed the Sage VIP Premier system, the company listing screen will display. The company listing screen contains information such as the site code, the version number, and a list of all the companies in your system directory. Access to each company is controlled by a password. To access a company, double-click on the company you want to access and enter your password. This will open the initial entry screen, which contains information such as the processing date, the tax year start date, the tax year end date, the payment cycle, and the number of active and terminated employees. These screens are explained in detail in the Payroll Basic training. When you click on Continue, you will be on the main menu of Sage VIP Premier. There are various menus on the main menu that are used to navigate the system. On the Company menu is the basic company information screen, which contains information such as the company name, the company address, and the employment tax incentive information. There are various mandatory fields that must be completed in order to submit your mid-year and tax year end submissions. Some of these mandatory fields are the company name, the company registration number, the pay-as-you-earn reference number, as well as the UIF and SDL registration numbers. The Employee menu option allows you to add employees, change employees, delete employees, and transfer employees to other Sage VIP Premier companies. The basic employee information screen contains all employee information, for example, personal details, address details, statutory details, and payment details. It also contains employment tax incentive details. The Payroll menu option is used for the day-to-day processing of employees' payslip information. You can access all the screens or functions that relate to the employee's payslip from this menu. The History menu option allows you to define additional information that must print on history payslips and print payslips and reports for previous periods. The Leave menu option allows you access to the employee leave screens. The Leave Days control screen, where company leave parameters have been defined, can also be accessed via this menu. To access options like leave methods, leave reasons, and leave categories, clients must have the Leave module. The Leave Administration training is designed to cover all aspects of the Sage VIP Premier Leave module. The module provides a tool to assist you in managing leave effectively as part of the HR function. You will be able to utilize existing fields in the payroll and integrate them with the Leave module after the Leave Administration training. The Reports menu option allows you to print, export, and import reports, as well as to create new reports. The audit trail and audit reports can also be printed from this menu. In the Payroll Reconciliation training, different reports are discussed to provide you with the necessary skills to enable you to take full ownership of the payroll. There is also a report writer course available, which is designed to equip you with the knowledge required to create your own customized reports on the Sage VIP Premier system. The Company, Employee, Payroll, History, Reports, Interfaces, and Utility menu will be discussed in the Payroll Basic training. Basic Leave will also be covered. Payroll Pro training is to introduce a number of additional functionalities of the Sage VIP Premier system and to consider more advanced aspects of payroll administration. This training includes detailed explanations on how to import and export information using the Flexi utility, how to print history payslips and reports, as well as Sage Insight reports. It also introduces basic methods. The Sage Intelligence menu option allows you to extract data from the system. The extracted data can be viewed and manipulated in another application, such as Microsoft Excel, to create customized MS Excel reports. This menu is only available to clients who have the Sage Intelligence Reporting tool and will be discussed in detail in the Sage Intelligence Report Manager and Sage Intelligence Connector training. The Interfaces menu option allows you to import and export information to and from the Sage VIP Premier system. You can also activate employee integrations from Premier HR. Premier HR is a separate interface. The Utilities menu option includes functions that are used to close off the pay run, to make backups, and to start a new processing period. ODBC and Smart Reporting are also found on the Utilities menu. Smart is a separate module. ODBC is not a separate module and just needs to be set up before it can be used. There is ODBC training available. The purpose of ODBC training is to provide you with the necessary skills that will enable you to use the ODBC functionality as a powerful reporting tool and to write your own ODBC reports. The RSA submission tool is also found under the Utility menu. This tool is used and discussed in the August submission and tax year end training, which is to enable clients to do their own submissions. Personnel management is also a module. The Personnel menu option allows you to record HR-related information that will assist you with the task of personnel history administration. On completion of the Personnel management training, you should be able to enter codes and transactions and produce reports using the Personnel management module of the Sage VIP Premier system. The Equity menu option allows you to set up information for generating equity goal plans and to print equity reports. The Equity menu is covered in detail in the Employment Equity training. Equity is a separate module. The Skills menu option allows you to set up information regarding skills development and for printing skills reports. The Skill menu is covered in detail in the Skills Development training. Skills is also a separate module. The Employer Self-Service menu is used to set up ESS functions. ESS is also a separate interface. Clients that have ESS and Premier HR are Total Solutions clients. The eSolutions menu option allows you to set up and export info slips and SMS notifications. The Help menu option takes you to a help file that provides information on how to operate the Sage VIP Premier system. It also has an option to send an email to support, book a consultant, share ideas, or make a referral. The Help menu can be used to access WebEx. It gives information regarding Sage Pay and tells you all you need to know about e-learning. The Exit menu option closes the Sage VIP Premier system.